Hey everyone and welcome. For my Python course project, I've built a simplified simulation of an automotive key management system. This video will give you a quick tour of the project, demonstrate its key functionalities through the graphical user interface, and explain the fundamental concepts of trust bonding, keys and certificates within this automotive context. This project simulates how a vehicle's electronic control units, or ECUs, can securely manage cryptographic keys and certificates. In the project folder, I have 4 separate files. There's a requirements.txt, which lists the installable libraries for this project, the readme MD markdown file that explains the project and how to run the project, project py that contains the code for this particular project, and for the 3 functions that are outside of the required ECUs for this project, we have a test suite, the command to run the code, and the simulator is Python 3 project.py. Here we can see the simulator established here now. What we're seeing here is the event logs for the principal and for the 2 agents and their communication with the ECUs, and it indicates which ECU, which mocked ECU they're working with. So for agent 1, we'll establish trust bonding initially with the principal. Here's the logs as they stand at this stage. When we initiate trust bonding, we can see the received challenge from the agent and the response from the principal to the ECU, and we can see that trust bonding has been successfully set up here. From there, we provision the shared key. We see that information also on both the principal and the agent logs. Finally, we're looking for the signed certificate from the principal, and we can see that confirmed as well in the logs. So a simplified version, but it does walk through the standard procedure for this. We have this for the second ECU as well, the keys there, which you can try out on your own. So going back to the code now then, what I want to do here is actually look at the test for the project. So now we can look at running the test for those 3 functions that were set outside of the classes. The command for that is pytest. We use the verbose extension, and there we go, all tests pass.